All right, I'm gonna do this as quick as I can. So I have these two RMRs. On the left is the dual illuminated. It has a 12 MOA triangle. The one on the right is your adjustable LED. So you can see there, it's got the buttons on the side. And this is a 3 MOA red dot. So one cool thing, if you're gonna film any red dot optic, you just go ahead and lock your auto exposure and focus to something far away. So you can see there, my hand up here is gonna be blurry, but it's focused there. So now you can actually film the reticles. Now, what you see in video is pretty much what you're gonna get in person. This one flickers in video, in person it doesn't. So this green triangle, super crisp and clean and just beautiful. Reminds me of an ACOG. And then with a little more light, let's see. There we go. That's kind of what this looks like with the sun. And then this one, obviously you can make it brighter or dimmer as you need. But I'm gonna show you what these look like in the dark. So a lot of people complain with a dual illuminated that the reticle gets blown out, which it does. I'll show you exactly what it does. So you can see here, dual illuminated, it's a little bit dim, but it's still good enough. In person, it looks pretty good. The one on the right, obviously, is just beautiful. That's why people choose Type 2s. Now, if you have a weapon mounted light and you have the Type 2, you're good. If you have the green triangle, good luck. So one thing I noticed is take your support hand, put it out with a flashlight, and then take your strong hand and put it over top. So you have a grip that will look something like this. That's how you get a super crisp, clean, clear dot if you're in a dark spot shooting to something that's a little more light, or if you're gonna go ahead and use a light. So if you have a Type 2, you're good with a weapon mounted light. You can still see it. If you have dual illuminated, go ahead and bring a handheld light back here and you're good. So why might you actually do that, you ask? Well, these you can get for easily under 200 bucks, or no, 300? I think I paid like 250 for the dual illuminated, and it never, ever needs batteries. The one on the right, I think I paid 450. These are like 530, 550 new, kind of harder to find, at least this color. They're just a little costlier, and you're gonna have to pull it off to replace your battery. I'd say every year, not that big of a deal, but it's more of a maintenance item. I can see why Holosun is popular, but something you don't get with Holosun is, where is it on this one? There it is. Okay, what you don't get on Holosun is made in the US and a Bible verse on the side. I don't know if anyone cares about that, but I much rather prefer American made and a company I feel comfy supporting. So that's why I got these two RMRs from Trigicon, and that's a difference between this one that's adjustable with a battery or the dual illuminated that's no battery, super simple. I just recommend keeping a handheld light if you're gonna trust one of these at night, and also have irons. So hope that helps.